Why lead's so bad in 60 seconds. Lead's a heavy metal with a similar electrostatic charge to calcium. This means our body can't tell the difference between the two. And calcium is super important. It's used inside and outside of different cells. Inside the cells, it plays a critical role in mitochondrial function. Mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell, manipulate electrons to give us the ability to use ADP, or ATP. I think it's ADP when it's out of energy. Adenosine diphosphate versus triphosphate. The mitochondria can't do this so well when there's lead involved in the process, so they might die, killing the entire cell. This leads to neuron death, which dramatically decreases the IQs of children and causes cognitive impairment in adults. What's worse is extracellular lead, meaning lead that's outside of the cell, acts to activate neurons in place of calcium. Since it's a heavy metal, it doesn't leave the neuron, causing it to stay on and be consistently and chronically excited, much like an overly impulsive child that never grows up. Once lead's in the body, it's really hard to get out, so test your environment before you get poisoned. Follow for more.